Mr. Ryan Parks, I'm presenting this video to you which is short, sharp and to the point. I've currently submitted via youbethejudge.com.au 3 files of documentary evidence confirming, in my view, a serious mental health crisis in the Supreme Courts of New South Wales. A duty of care crisis that needs to be addressed by Parliament and respectfully with your assistance. In relation to my own matter, the Albanese government had dozens of uncontested medical reports before them. They also have a neuropsychologist medical report. That report identifies PTSD and other cognitive impairments. What it also identifies is that Justice Robert Veitch-Jones, now presiding in the High Court, Justice Ian Harrison, Chief Judge of the Common Law in the Supreme Court of New South Wales, and Justice Richard Weinstein, also in the Supreme Court of New South Wales, are tied in as triggers and prompts causing PTSD-related symptoms. These symptoms, I say, plainly, could have been, would have been, should have been avoided but for the judicial misconduct, I allege, of those judicial officers. Most recently, I've endured exactly the same conduct as I did in 2022 under Justice Veitch-Jones, which led to an active suicide event. By early 2022, when Justice Robert Veitch-Jones took carriage of the matter, my mental health was deteriorating substantially yet again. By June 2022, for the first time, I took active steps to commit suicide. I hold absolutely no reservations that the management of Justice Robert Veitch-Jones from February to July 2022 were the significant drivers that forced me into a position where I took active steps to commit suicide. I purchased a newspaper, I drove to a quiet location, and I planned to put the newspaper in the exhaust pipe and commit suicide. And the presiding judge on this occasion, Justice Desmond Fagan, presiding in the Supreme Court of New South Wales. There's also a psychologist report that details the trauma I've suffered through the misconduct or breaching of a judicial oath, in my opinion, of Justice Desmond Fagan in her report. However, it's now about action, real action, prompt, swift action that will save lives, will require reform from the Albanese government urgently to ensure and safeguard Australian citizens before those courts at the present time and for generations to come, because this is an extremely serious public interest issue. The 3 files of evidence have been sent through to your office. What I'm asking respectfully on behalf of Australian citizens, Mr. Park, is in your capacity as a New South Wales Health Minister to act urgently and have these issues assessed and addressed. I have no doubt you will find, upon review of the documentary evidence, urgent intervention is required in the interest of the public of New South Wales and Australia-wide. I look forward to your response. Thank you for your time.